Hey guys, my name is Jeff. I'm from theboxman.com. And right now I want to go over a really quick video about this application called the Remote Control for Android TV. I had a person on our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, just ask a question, just stating that his device was not working and did I have any suggestions for a remote control app that can control the Formuler, Z10, Z11s. So I went to the support group in Formuler and they recommended this application, which is found in the Apple App Store along with the Google Play Store. So what we're going to do is we're just going to install it really fast and I want to show you how it connects. Now you have to be on the same network as your box is or it's not going to recognize it. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's going to start searching for the Z10. Hopefully it'll find it. And you can see that it has found the Z10 and it is connected. Now what I'm going to do now is switch from this here over to the box so we can see how that's going to work there. All right. So give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and close this out really quick. I was looking for how to stop this. So I'm going to go ahead and stop. Okay, now I'm on the device right now, but I do have my phone in my hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Formuler Z10 and I don't need a pairing code. Let me go here. And so what it wants to do is once I click on my phone, it's going to give me a pairing code so I can pair the device. So now I need to put in this pairing code that you see on the device on your phone. I'm doing that right now. I think that's it. Now you can see that it's paired successfully. So as you can see, if I push the directional pad, you can see it moving to the right there. Now I have an ad. Of course I have an ad. God, I hate advertisements on my phone. It is crazy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm waiting for the ad to stop. Now I'm back. So you can see I can go up and down on it really good. If I click on apps, the apps are right there. All right. If I click on menu, the menu is not going to work. It has to be in something. But you can see that you can go up to the right, back up again. So let's say I click on something. I clicked on YouTube. It opened up YouTube. So it opened up YouTube. So I'm going to hit the back button. And again, to exit out. And I'm back here. So let's say I want to open up my ad blocker here. I hit OK. You can see I got 81 ads blocked there. And let me hit the home button. It should take me back home. So this application works with the Formuler device. I'm not going to go into the live TV or any of the movie apps on here as I don't want to. And there it is again. The only downside I have with this application is that you can hear right now that I have to sit through all the ads from Google. Maybe it's going to be different for the Apple App Store or the App Store. So it's just, that's irritating. I would just go ahead and buy another remote to me. But for someone that maybe can't get a remote, this is a good thing to have. So you can find it in the Google Play Store. You can find it in the App Store and enjoy it. I'm just waiting for this commercial to end so I can close out the video. But the app works really great. I opened it on my TV Online 2 here. I opened it right here. It worked really good on the TV side. I opened up my YouTube for movies and stuff. If you didn't know, YouTube has movies for free. And then I opened up some utility apps and it worked really well. And I'm still waiting for this whole app or this ad to finish. God, so irritating. So I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. I'll put a link in the description, maybe the name of each app or the application in each app store. And I wish you guys the best. Thanks for tuning in, and